Guys, 35Q here. Today we will be seeing if the Q pickaxe dupes. Yeah. This is my fan code, by the way, 35Q. Please join. I really want to meet my fans. I never get to meet my fans. I only met like 3 or 2. Yeah. Let's go. I'm not joined by anyone this time. Again. I don't want to be joined by anyone. I mean, let me know if you want to make a video with me. And go in the code because I don't read comments. Mug. Cause maybe. Because I'm going to do the cube dynamite next. Because I'm doing all the cube items. Let's kill this. Okay. The key card, let's open this door to kill the Segway. Sorry, let me fix my controller string. Oh. I'm not collecting the paper because I think they make it go down. Like a lot. I'm scared to collect the paper. Kill. No shutter. The only time that you won't be able to join is when I'm recording videos. No, I don't record videos that often. So yeah, I do it often, but some days I just don't record videos, so you'll most likely be able to show. Cause I like playing Discord every time I play Animal Company, so you have a very high chance of finding me in my fan code 35Q. But yeah, I think I might if someone's calling me, don't mind that. I might need to like make a new short. Because I think people are just skipping. If you didn't skip to the very end of the item dupe, thank you. If you're watching this. I have to make a new show because most people skip it and don't see my fan code. It's more junk. Yeah, I'll get you more. You know what, I'll just get a back full of junk. No, he said I'll give you free nuts if you answer. Call me. Hello, I'm not calling that guy. I hope I get the beanie this time because I met all the requirements for the beanie. But since they only pick like 20 people for each, I couldn't get in. I'll probably apply for a camera this time, because I thought the camera was like the camera, this camera. Yeah, my cute pic. We spent a long time here. I probably need to go. Let me just get one more item and then let's go. The robot dog sound is so scary if you're really far away. Let's go. Experiment. Alright, where's the next spot? Yeah, over there. Let me just kill that guy. Hey, next spot. Good to not. Hello. Didn't give it anything. I am the queen and you're not on my queen. You are on me. Well, let's put some stuff stuff and wait. We'll go up here. Let's see how much is filled. Nothing. Oh boy, oh no. It just isn't going up. They had to like balance this. I think the cup is the best for this. Yeah, the cup might be the best. I think we can put the same item in a row. Never mind, we can put any item, it just might go down. Okay, one more, please don't go down. If you go down, I swear. It might go down. Okay, good. I don't need these. Yeah, there's 4 left anyway. And now we need the keys. The key. Mine. Ah, great. I have to spend time killing you again. I wish we had like something that explained how every single monster works. Cause if you're a new player, let's see. Oh my god, what does this monster do? Like, what does the Banshee do? How do you know what the Banshee does? Because the person didn't know what each monster did, because I learned the game myself. I didn't get any help. The only help I got was someone saying that the sewers entrance was real like green light area. That was the only help I got. And I got my grapple hooks from the grapple shop. Because you could go and stash for the grapple shop right there. Oh my god. Where's the monster? We can see him. So, it's just probably a mimic. Or an expert that's going to kill me. I got some. Even though I don't see like any monsters on my watch, there probably is. Okay, robot dog, you can just go down whenever I want this. There's no way the robot dog's killing me. We're in a no PvP lobby. Oh! Oh, thank you! I'll give you mine. Mine these. Yo. Okay. The next video will be short because I already have videos. Yeah, the next video will be very short, so don't worry. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 9. You only need like 9 duckies for the beam machine. Anyways, let's see if the pickaxe do. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. So, yeah, bad news. It doesn't do. Yeah, it doesn't. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.